Hey, good morning and happy Friday, everybody. Today is Friday the 11th, June 11th, and another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. We got a bit of news here today, so we got the big influencer here today is the retail sales. Came in at negative. They did expect a drop from 0.6 down to 0.2, but actually it was in the negative territory by quite a bit, 1.2. Now, if you take out the volatility excluding autos, dropped actually 1.1, so still a pretty big drop, and that's going to help actually the bond market out. So we'll have a rate improvement on there. Consumer sentiment, they expect a little bit of increase, but actually jumped up a bit more. So people are feeling a little bit good. This out of the University of Michigan Index survey, and people are feeling better. Something else that popped up in the news today is, like we mentioned, China is trying to force itself to slow down a little bit. So as you can see, they show 3.1% inflation. Usually at least in the US here, I'm sure China's the same, they like to keep it under 2%, 2 to 3%. So it's not real bad right now, but they don't want to get it out of control. So they do have, they need to, it's something they're going to be working on. So, and then today the stock market's a little bit mixed. The Dow's down a little bit today, but a couple other ones are kind of at even pace. From the S&P to the NASDAQ are kind of even pace. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market today. Don't get alarmed by this. We actually had what they call a bond rollover, and what that is that they're wrapping up the bond for last month and then starting the new month. So that's why you get new pricing. So this probably should have been actually right around this range here, and this, if it was underneath the old index, would be actually closer up to here. So it's not as bad as it looks. We're currently up a little bit for the day here. So right now about 12. We start down and up. But we did have our correction that we talked about earlier in the week yesterday. So looks not bad. Loan rates will show some improvement today, especially compared to yesterday. We did have some pricing for the worst yesterday, but today rates are looking good. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and if anything else changes, I'll let you know. Take care.